Hey everyone, welcome back to US Trend Watch. I'm your host, Abdul Hadi. Let's dive into today's big news. President Trump's new tariffs are shaking Wall Street to its core. On Thursday, the S&P 500 took a nosedive, plummeting nearly 5%, marking its worst day since June 2020. Dow Jones futures also fell by a staggering 1,400 points. The trigger? China retaliated with 34% tariffs on US goods and blacklisted 11 American companies. Global backlash has been swift. European leaders are calling for a united response, and some are even urging European companies to halt US investments. Economists warn that these trade tensions could lead to higher consumer prices, job cuts, and slower economic growth. The threat of a recession is looming large. Sector-wise, the tech industry is taking a huge hit. Apple led the sell-off, dropping over 9%. Companies like Nvidia and Palantir also saw significant declines. Recession risks are high for companies like Shopify, Airbnb, and eBay, where discretionary spending and brand advertising are critical. Consumer goods, retail, and the auto industry are also in the crosshairs. Shares of companies reliant on imports from countries like Vietnam and Indonesia plunged. Best Buy and Wayfair were downgraded due to potential tariff disruptions. And yes, new tariffs on all foreign-made automobiles are now in effect. In the energy sector, OPEC Plus accelerated oil production, likely as a gesture to Trump, but oil prices still fell sharply. On the legal front, the new Civil Liberties Alliance is suing the federal government, challenging the tariffs' legality. And despite the turmoil, Trump remains optimistic, predicting a market boom as part of his 2024 presidential strategy. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell warned of persistent inflation from these larger-than-expected tariffs. And while the U.S. economy added 228,000 jobs in March 2025, the unemployment rate rose to 4.2%. That's all for now. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to US Trend Watch for more updates. Thanks for watching.